Microsoft Office 2019 installation setup on Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Google search box లో Office customization tool enter key press. Office customization tool Microsoft 365 apps admin center. First link click. Microsoft 365 apps admin center official redirectory web page complete display left side. First one option architecture operating system 64-bit default detect and left side circular tick mark set. In case 32-bit operating system users first one left side circular tick mark set. Present 64-bit default set. Scroll down. Office suites related box right side down arrow click. Office Professional Plus 2019 volume license options select. Scroll down. Select the version. Right side down arrow click. First one latest set. Scroll down. Apps section లో Office 2019 related internal tools necessary apps tick mark on set unnecessary applications offset Outlook Classic unnecessary left side edge mouse left click. Next OneDrive desktop unnecessary left side edge mouse left click. Offset only installation apps left side bottom section లో blue color button next click. Next languages select primary language related box right side down arrow click. Number of languages display convenient language select English United States select. Scroll down blue color button next click. Scroll down again next button click. Mouse scroll down. Update options uninstall any MSI versions of Office including Viso and Project. Default on set. Mouse scroll down. Next button click. Office Professional Plus 2019 volume license related present installation KMS version default set. Scroll down. Next button click. Mouse scroll down. Again next button click. Mouse scroll down. Show only installation tools buttons display all settings options. Mouse scroll down. Blue color button finish click. Right side top section lo second button export click. Second one option Office Open XML formats left side circle tick mark set. Mouse left click. OK button click. Middle section I accept the terms in the license agreement left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Downloading file name configuration first button export click. Keep click. Download file name configuration.xml top section లో new tab click. Search box లో Office setup download enter key press. Download Microsoft Office 365 for Windows and Mac. First link click. Microsoft 365 official web page complete display. Mouse scroll down. Download Microsoft 365 related two buttons display. First one download for Windows link click. Download section లో Office setup.exe setup file downloading process start file size 7.2 MB. After downloading process completed, browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో two setup files display. Second one file select mouse right click. Third icon rename click. Office text remove select keyboard లో delete key press. Only set file name setup enter key press. Two setup files select mouse right click. First icon cut click. Keyboard shortcut key Control X. Left side, this PC, select first one, new volume C, select open, mouse right click, new option select subpanel లో folder, click. Keyboard లో delete key press, folder name Office 2019, enter. Office space 2019, enter key press, folder, mouse double click, mouse right click, first icon, paste click. Folder minimize, desktop, Windows search box లో CMD, enter. First option, command prompt, right side, second option, run as administrator, click. First button, yes, click. Command prompt, shell window display, Office 2019 folder, reopen, top section లో address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click, copy this path, second option, copy, click. Folder minimize, enter the command cd space, keyboard లో shortcut key control V, enter key press. In this video description section లో second text command paste, as it is same copy paste here. Keyboard లో shortcut key control V, enter key press. Command prompt, shell window close, Microsoft, we are getting things to ready. System configuration setup, verifying process start, wait and here minimum 5 minutes. Office window display, please stay online while Office downloads. Desktop task manager, right side, showing icons, arrow click, first one icon, Office, click. Office is installing in the background, 3% downloading process completed, 0 to 100% completing until wait and here minimum 15 minutes depending on internet speed. You are all set. Office is installed now. Close button, click. Desktop Windows search box లో CMD, enter. First option, command prompt related, right side, second option, run as administrator, click. First button, yes, click. Shell window లో enter text command, keyboard లో shortcut key control V, enter key press. Close desktop Windows search box లో word, enter. First one, select accept and start word, blue color button, click. Close button, click. Interface maximize, first template blank document, click. Enter the text anyone, Charity Info.